Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ casted his vote for the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Overall, the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections in Barangay Tamayong, Kalinan, Davao City was peaceful and orderly. Even before the sun had risen earlier today, Tamayong Elementary School was already bustling with energy as voters eagerly lined up and searched for their respective polling precincts.
Motungan ni sayo kog anhe kay aron kasayo pud og butar. Anang isa ka oras pa na akong lakaw kay wa man sayo ang ubang umbak. Nabaktas lang kog hinahinay kay para makaabot dire.
And mauna ni karon, this is now the situation. Early or 5 o'clock or 4:30, a lot of people having their lines obediently. They follow the lines, the instruction, so that they can vote.
It wasn't even 10 o'clock in the morning and the queues had already disappeared with only a few people left casting their votes. The experience was positive for the youth, especially those who participated in voting for the first time, just like Criseline, a young Tausug.
As first-time voters, wala ko na dali ra kayo kay nato ko help desk then wala ko na tanog 10 minutes kay wala kay tao.
Meanwhile, the SK voters expect that those they elected will fulfill their promises and platforms.
Sa first time ko po mag-vote today and expect ko po na ang kanilang mga platforms ay matupad po nila, lalo na dito sa Barangay Tamayong. Bilang parte po ng kabataan, gusto ko po na mas lalong ma-engage ang mga kabataan sa mga gawain dito sa Barangay Tamayong po para focus ng mga kabataan dito ay ma-divert papunta sa ikabubuti nila at hindi sa ikasisira ng kanilang buhay.
The barangay officials, the Commission on Elections, and even the volunteer teachers expressed their deep gratitude for the residents' participation in the democratic process by choosing their new representatives in the barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan.
May Muslim tayo dito, Bagobo Klatab, Obo Manubo, Bisaya, Ilonggo, and a lot of tribes. But still, you look at this as one. That is how peaceful is the Barangay Tamayong.
At 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ also casted his vote here at Tamayong Elementary School for the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan election. Here in this barangay, at the foothills of the Philippines' highest peak, Mount Apo, Pastor Apollo was born and raised along with the Ovo Manuvu and other tribes in this area. His only wish for the residents here is peace and continuous progress. Pastor Apollo's message to the winning officials in this BSKE is that they should strive to deliver quality service to the people, as it is what our nation needs, particularly in these times.
Well, masaya tayo dahil dito sa Barangay Tamayong, hindi ko pa nakitang so peaceful ang isang barangay election. Pero dito talagang napaka-peaceful. Maaga pa natapos ng mga tao. At saka doon sa mga mananalo, pagbutihin ninyo ang paglilingkod sa ating barangay. At saka sa lahat ng mga barangay na mananalo. At naway talagang bukal sa puso yung paglilingkod natin. Because this is what our country needs today.
Pastor, your support to the barangay, Pastor, hindi lang po sa spiritual, but also the political arena.
Yes, lalo na dito sa Barangay Tamayong kasi nandito yung birthplace ko, physical birthplace and spiritual birthplace. At nandito rin yung Covenant Mountain, Paradise Garden of Eden Restored. So, napaka mapalad natin kasi pinili niya Barangay Tamayong para ang hinirang nandito. At matagumpay, maunlad, at tutulong tayo sa pagunlad ng ating sariling barangay. Tulad ng ginagawa na natin ngayon.
For God and my beloved Philippines, this has been Precious Alvarez, SMNI News.